Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Android is on and you're signed into the same Google account used with Translate. Once done, open the Google Translate app. Do this now. Make sure the app is updated for consistent options. Update in Play Store if needed. Tap the profile icon or three-line menu to reveal settings and history controls. You're initiating the cleanup, so don't skip to other apps. Stay inside Translate and proceed to manage history from the app's menu. Once you're in Settings, find History or a Clear History option. It's typically under Privacy or App Settings. Tap History to view recent translations. To remove a single entry, long press the item and confirm deletion. To remove everything, choose Clear All and accept the confirmation prompt. Understand why. Clearing removes local and cloud-synced entries tied to your Google account, so it stops those phrases appearing on other devices. Make sure you really want to delete everything before confirming. To finish, open your Google account's activity controls and disable web and app activity if you want to prevent future logging. If deleted items still show, go to Settings Apps Translate Storage and clear cache. If needed, clear data or sign out and back in. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app, then check history again. If things go wrong, verify you used the correct Google account. Mismatched accounts often cause apparent failures to clear history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.